First go to File and choose Open. Select this image, click Open. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer. Open the blend mode and choose Vivid Light. Press Ctrl I to invert the layer. Go to Filter, Other and choose High Pass. Increase the radius to 4 pixels. Click OK. Next go to Filter, Blur. Here choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 1 pixel. Click OK. Select the top layer and click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Choose the brush tool. Set the foreground color to white. Now gently remove the black spots and pimples on the face like this. Let's see the final result.